Despite being called koala bears, they are actually marsupials. They feed almost exclusively on eucalyptus leaves, which are difficult to digest. Their low-calorie diet allows them to lead a very sedentary lifestyle. They sleep between 18 and 22 hours a day. They can live between 10 and 12 years in the wild, and up to 18 years in captivity. They have poor vision, but a highly developed sense of smell that helps them find food. Koalas can vary in color depending on the region, being darker in colder areas and lighter in warm areas.